Exclusive footage. Exclusive footage, man. Most exclusive footage ever that you ever did. You know what I'm saying? I support the whole team, but I really want to support you. Buckets. Huh? $5,000 a game. $5,000 a game. It's a premier basketball team. Huh? Well, I know that's what Quantel making. He getting paid for it.